waking up with knees that sound like a bag of gravel being shaken, is enough to make anyone desperate for a quick fix. That's exactly where the market for joint supplements steps in with its flashy promises. You've probably seen the ads for something called Juicy Joint Pro lately. They pull out all the stops to catch your eye. We're talking big discounts. We're talking bold claims about regaining your mobility. They use these sleek marketing videos that make the product look like a magic pill. But here's the reality: your body doesn't just reset itself overnight because you took a capsule. This product is aiming for people who feel that daily wear and tear. It targets the folks who find it harder to get out of the car. It speaks to those who can't walk up a flight of stairs without a wince. It positions itself as a natural formula designed to grease the gears of your joints. The marketing wants you moving like a teenager again. They lean heavily on the idea of comfort and flexibility. Those are exactly the words we all want to hear when our ankles are throbbing after a long day. Now they do throw in a money-back guarantee to sweeten the deal. That feels like a safety net. It makes you think there is nothing to lose. But let's take a beat and look under the hood of these claims. Dietary supplements are not miracle cures. They are not regulated like medicine. You have to be cautious when a brand suggests that you will see dramatic results in a heartbeat. Joint health is a marathon. It is not a sprint. It takes time for the body to respond to any kind of nutritional support. Results are going to be all over the map. It depends on how old you are. It depends on what your current health looks like. It also depends on if you're even consistent with taking the stuff. Some people might feel a slight shift. Others might feel absolutely nothing. That's the reality of the supplement game. When we ask if this specific joint product is a scam, it's not a simple yes or no. The presentation looks professional enough. However, transparency is where the real test happens. You need to be looking for the actual ingredient list. You need to check if those components have real science behind them. Don't just trust the testimonials on a flashy website. Those are curated to sell. If a marketing campaign feels too aggressive, it is time to be careful. If the discounts seem too good to be true, put your guard up. This product doesn't scream scam right off the bat, but it doesn't scream miracle either. It is just another option in a very crowded room of health products. The smartest move you can make is to stop scrolling through the ads. Start talking to a professional instead. A doctor who knows your history is going to give you better advice than a targeted social media ad ever could. Joint pain is complex. Sometimes it needs more than just a bottle of pills. Do your own research. Read the independent reviews that aren't on the company's own page. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. An informed buyer is the hardest one to fool. Your health is worth more than a quick purchase based on a flashy headline. Everybody reacts differently. Be a detective about your own wellness. Don't let a polished sales pitch dictate your health choices without a second opinion. Your joints will thank you for taking the slow, smart path rather than chasing a fast, unproven promise.